Well, welcome and glory to your gut. I'm Dr. Jean-Paul Lamonte of the Holistic Research Academy, and in this video, we're going to be doing a complete overview on keeping a good, healthy gut microbiome. Let's check it out. So, according to recent evidence, we know that keeping a good, healthy gut microbiome affects all of our different organs and glands. Not only is it going to improve your digestion and absorption of more nutrients into your body, but it's also going to improve your detoxification effects, improve your cardiovascular system, and we now know it affects your brain, your mood, your memory, and all those cognitive processes are directly tied to your gut. So, the same blood that you're thinking with in your brain is the same blood going through your bowels. So when we're talking about good gut bacteria, we're talking about the family of the lactobacillus. Now, there's the acidophilus, there's the plantarum and the rhamnosus varieties, but in general, lactobacillus is a really good source of healthy gut bacteria. There's also the bifidobacterium, the Saccharomyces boulardii, and other multi-strain probiotics that can be very beneficial to the body. So where do we get these good bacteria? Well, naturally, it's from the foods that we eat. So the best ones to support a good, healthy gut microbiome is finding yogurts with live cultures. So make sure when you're shopping for yogurt, get one with live active cultures. You can also get this from sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, tempeh, and one of my favorites, of course, is kombucha. So I brew my own kombucha at home, but you can now find kombucha, which is basically a fermented type of tea, in a variety of your grocery stores. Now, one time I traveled to Japan and I came across natto. Natto, if you can find it, is another really good source of good, healthy gut bacteria. So we can get it from our foods, and we can also support these healthy gut bacteria by taking prebiotics. So according to research, some good prebiotic foods are things like chicory root. One of my favorites is Jerusalem artichoke, which is a really good source of inulin. So inulin, very similar to insulin, is a really good source of fiber that helps to support those good, healthy gut bacteria. Now, other things, of course, with things like onions, garlic, and leeks. So you can add those into your cooking, or if you want, you can certainly eat them raw too. Now, when we're talking about raw foods, this is another thing you want to make sure that you eat every day. So raw fruits, raw vegetables, and certainly one of my favorite is things like oats. In fact, steel-cut oats, to me, is kind of the GOAT, the greatest of all time breakfast. So oats are definitely the GOAT when it comes to supporting good, healthy gut bacteria. And so again, steel-cut oats are packed full of B vitamins, but more importantly, they have fiber. So even things like barley and other high fiber foods are really good to support that good, healthy gut microbiome. You also want to take things like galacto-oligosaccharides. So say it after with me, GOS. And these can be found in things like legumes, and some dairy products as well are going to have GOS or galacto-oligosaccharides. Now, things you want to tend to stay away from would be to moderate or keep a very low red meat intake, and also ultra processed foods. You want to try to get rid or dramatically decrease ultra processed foods that are often starved of those natural fibers and other vitamins and minerals that are found in live, raw plants, fruits, and vegetables. Now, to actually help support natural digestion, right, you want to have enzymes in the body. So enzymes are these small little proteins that help all of our biological processes occur. In fact, if it wasn't for enzymes, it might take you days just to digest your breakfast. So we need digestive enzymes to help break these things down. Now, you want to consult a physician and certainly a qualified doctor before taking any supplements or especially digestive enzymes if you don't already have an underlying condition. Because again, you're naturally going to find enzymes with raw fruits and vegetables and throughout the natural environment. Now, a good source of digestive enzymes, through research, we discovered pineapple and papaya. And pineapple is called bromelain, and papaya is called papain. So you can either eat these fresh fruits, which taste great, especially with your oatmeal, or you can take them as supplements to support digestive enzymes. So glory to your gut, and more importantly, you can support it by keeping the body well hydrated, getting good sleep, regular exercise, and of course, stress management. So the holistic view is body, mind, and spirit. So if you have a lot of mental stress and if a lot of tensions are building up, that's going to go right into your digestion and throw off your gut. So try those things out and let me know in the comments below what are some of your favorite things to support a good, healthy gut. May the health be with you. Thank you so much for joining me. Check out my other videos. You can check out hcare.org for more information on natural, holistic health. Thank you very much.